Mentah kesni lai potrik ubnai banengkong arhajar arfusau. Kamora kalayo ban pli ya kawai ka jaka cungokai. Kapung nyak liang lani kadam. Hakaba UCM Conrad K.Sangma ulayo ban pli ya kane kum ukongsan jong kate kesni. Haka jinga dorong kat lang i Dr. Amparin Lingdo Menteri Karep Karyang ba Gavin melim MLA na Sohra ba lakmen rumboy ba Hamlet Doling ba Davis Kong Ramai ibalong sekretari jong kasnong maura usim kena kahima Sohra marrem dors nang ta rengkat kinong snong jong kamaura bat kuei kiblaya don lang hakate kapur haka jingkren na UCM hakate ka jingpli yakate ka jaka jungokai saw haduk 100% ulaong layo ban penek pensa yaka slap lait nang ta kalaki lut syabangla bat sya asam bat kani kalong kabakongsan ban yo yaka nuksa kumbalong kasnong maura kabalala banchna kat kani kapung lani kadam ula ai kacing kumplai yaka Soil and Water Reservation Department na benta kacing pli lat kacongka yaka ni kasnong nang taw la ong kani kapung ni kadam ka ajing mentoy tang ban pendon kam yaka Henry kan long ru kalat ban long kum kajaka cungokai ban kring yakinong cungokai ban tu syakani kajaka bat kuai de kilat kamai lengba jong kani kapung ha kabai dei pat bat kasurok ulapan pau ba menta kani kajaka kan long ru ka donbok nama ba menta dang yai beteng ban pentrei ya kasurok ka ba namo jrong syakhat arsnong ka jingjinga jong ka kalong hadu arpusan kilometer ka badai ka skim PMJSY bat ula ong ru ba ulayo ban ya kren bat u kontraktor baha ubnai banengkong jong usnem arjar arpusan u khemi lenti balala ban siang rong lun syu na benta kani kajaka ulaong ba undang pai khmat ban ajiram ban nang khampen bha syu lengba ka cingya penbai jong bat MLA ka Sohra ba Gavin melim nang taw la ong ru ba Gavin udai uparlok bacan jong udai MLA ubat trai sitom bat ba shimkhia na benta ka roi ka par jong kani ka konstituensi kani ka thain kralong ka donbok baklayo ya unong yalam kum ma ubadang biang bha karta basmat bat sempang laban rap susu UCM balapan kot ya ke program hakani kasni da ka jingshat na kilong kumi jong kasnong maura
and whatever needed to be said has already been spoken before, and hence I only want to say that I am very, very happy to be here today. This is my first visit to this part of the district and my first visit to your village, and I just wanted to thank all of you for the very warm reception. It is a very cold day. You have been waiting here for the past 4 hours. I apologize because I have come all the way from Delhi this morning. I left at 7 o'clock. I had inauguration of the Sohra Government College building today at Sohra, and after that we have come here, and hence there was a slight delay. Therefore I apologize, and the only thing I want to say is that the water conservation and the entire protection and creating reservoirs is one of the more important things that this government is focusing on. We will be roughly investing close to 400 crores in the span of next 3 years, creating hundreds of reservoirs across the state. Just to give an idea to you, we are only able to keep about 4 to 5% of the water that we get because of the rains, and most of the water flows away into Bangladesh or to Assam. And hence the only way to stop the flow of the water or to preserve or conserve the water is to create dams like these. And hence this is one of the projects, a very successful one, and I thank and congratulate the Soil Conservation Department and all the officers who have been involved in making this a success. Big congratulations to you. The work has been done exceptionally well, and we can see from the completion also that it is also in a way an engineering, kind of a nice engineering and architecture marvel also. So it's a great project, and once again I congratulate the team headed by our officials, the director and commissioner and secretary, and of course our Honorable Minister. Our purpose of having these reservoirs is also not just to conserve, but as was mentioned by Dr. Amperin Lingdo, we want to see that this can be used for multi-purpose activities, be it for farming, be it for creating different aquaculture, or be it for tourism. And hence, let me assure you that tourism is going to be a very important part. As you all know, for the first time from the main road up to Kongtong village, 25 kilometers of road, this may be the first time in the history of the state that the entire 25 kilometers will be black-topped. As you know that this particular stretch, which is not black-topped as of now, already a 15 crore PMGSY road is been sanctioned and work is going on, and I have spoken to the contractor. We expect the work to be completed by January 2025. In 1 year's time, the entire road will be black-topped, and this will be a great blessing for the people, and also it will be a great blessing from the tourism point of view. So with these few words, I once again thank you, and let me assure you the different points that the Secretary of the Dorbar had mentioned to us today. I will be discussing in detail with your Honorable MLA, Gavin, who is a very dear friend of mine. And this area is very, very fortunate to have a young, dynamic person like him who is very caring for the people and who really wants to transform his constituency. Even before coming here, he has given me a large number of ideas on how he wants to develop this area. And I must tell you, they are very great. And let me assure you once again that we will work together. Gavin and all of us will work together to ensure that we make this area and develop the tourism sector to its fullest potential. So again, I wish you all the very best, and thank you so much once again for staying for so long. I know it's very cold, and so therefore I would cut off my speech here. But once again, I wish you all the very best, and I wish this project the very best, and once again congratulate the entire team that has done an amazing work. I would like to go and see the actual construction work, clip some pictures and put it up on social media as mentioned, so that we can market this place through our social media handles also. So once again, I wish you all the very best. May God bless all of you, and may God bless our state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Matela, and Jai Hind.
แค่หมดดอร์บัดปล่อยเกิดขันปุงบาแหบัดอีเป็นนันกุมมานาลาวะหิหามบนบันทำโอคิสารมันมีเมสเตอร์ใส่ดีกันเย็นกิกนัดตอร์การJangan toyo ban mak dasar Conrad Oi terhan ung bahe bat itenan Kumana balawan hak bon ban kam Yêu kisar bat ministar Toy di parmen katnat sorkar Kemen toy ngiyo ban man Bisa Conrad Na 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 tenan cùng menakalawan hak ribon ban kau Officer ban minister say department katrat sarkar Chairman toy ban mat besar Conrad
Very nice.
Very nice. Really. Some of them are so beautiful. This steps also with local
That is why the partnering will have long-lasting relationship.